Welcome to the CaroLink Parameter Tips and Tricks video. The CaroLink software is used to communicate with many of Caratron's industrial control products such as the Elite Pro V3, Cortex LT V2, and the Trooper Pro. Parameters can be viewed in two different ways. Parameters can be displayed in a list view by selecting the parameters item from the device menu. A tree structure on the left allows you to see all parameters or a smaller subset. One particular useful item is the modified selection. This item displays all of the modified parameters in the device. In the list view, parameters can be changed by simply double-clicking the desired parameter. Parameters can also be displayed in a block diagram format by selecting the desired parameter block. In this format, parameters can be changed by single-clicking on the desired parameter value. Regardless of the display method, parameters are color-coded. Read-write parameters are displayed in black. These parameters can be changed at any time. Read-only parameters are displayed in gray. These parameters cannot be changed. Inhibit change while running or ICR parameters are displayed in red. These parameters can only be changed while the device is stopped. Linked parameters are displayed in blue. These parameters cannot be edited as they are controlled by another parameter or by an input. Generally, parameter changes that are made via the software are only temporary. A save command must be issued or these changes will be lost if the device is power cycled. This can be done by selecting the save item from the device menu. If desired, the parameters can also be saved to a file by selecting Save As from the File menu. Thanks for watching. Please visit our website or contact us if you have questions or need any assistance.